339.94 charge ಇದೆ.
120 to 125 grams of sushi rice. Dropping up. Putting on the new one, straight. Some finger up. It will start in the center like this. So put up, center. Yeah, that's just like what I said. Everything starts at the center. Okay. And finish. So what we're gonna put in front mix. And after that, just 1 and 2. Lift the top of the mat. Hold the sushi supported. And we're gonna start rolling. All you have to do is what? You have to grab, not to spin, okay? Continue. Again. Press and grab. On the side, let me fix it. To make it a little bit presentable, you know. Alright. So we're gonna do the topping. This is the tuna tartar.
Tuna tartar is composed of the tuna, the chili oil, regular mayonnaise, and seafood. Just combine it and then you have tuna tartar.
Alright. One more. Take your avocado. Then put like this.
Oh yeah.
Since like 6:30. Right now
By the way, if you want to go in the food republic, if you don't have, you can cover charge of $50 and $10 something. Total of $60.
Time is on.
Okay? That is it. This time, a little bit of love. And make sure your knife is very short, okay?
There's
Stand with me.
the spices.
Time, love, and love. You don't have to cut it to like this. Remember, it's only a rice. Then you stuff inside underneath, okay? In, center, follow me.
That might be the place where we're
Yeah, that's it. In, inside, follow me.
yeah. Not, I think, but yeah, whatever that is, 15 or 16.
Now you take your first step a little bit
Wait,
there.
wait, wait, take
You have to walk back over here.
different way to do it. First, I'm trying to figure that out.
Then it's fix everything for you. Alright, just like that. Now cleaning.
Like with yogurt and pastry.
You copy? Like, again. So roasted sesame on top. And that's it.